1 minus 5 gives us negative 4. And again here inside this parentheses we have 1 minus 5. So negative 4 times negative 4, which equals positive 16. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operations, first we have to do print the system, exponent, then multiplication or division, and the finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to refer from left to right. And the same applies to addition and subtraction. In this expression, we have one subtraction, one multiplication, and one parentheses. Inside this parentheses, we have one subtraction. Here we have a multiplication, because in mathematics when a number is placed next to parentheses, it means multiplication. And we usually don't try the multiplication sign for brevity. Okay, so according to the Pemdas, first we have to do this parentheses, then this multiplication, and finally this subtraction. If we do this subtraction before this multiplication or this parentheses, it is wrong. So first this parentheses. Inside this parentheses we have 1 minus 5, which equals negative 4. So 1 minus 5 times negative 4. In this expression we have one subtraction and one multiplication. According to the Pemdas, multiplication has higher priority than subtraction. So first we have to do this multiplication. Negative 5 times negative 4 gives us positive 20. So we have 1 plus 20, which equals 21. And this is our final answer to this problem.